Well, here we are at the Sports Centre.
Jump!
There you are.
Yeah.
Hello, Casper.
Hello.
Hello, Joe. I'm Trina.
Hello, Trina. Casper, do you like to run?
Yes.
We should have a race.
Mm-hmm.
I think I will win.
I will win.
Oh.
Yes.
No, I will win.
I will win now.
Ready, steady, go! I'm tired. Oh, my deliveries.
Hello, Joe. Don't forget about your deliveries. Casper needs the ruler to measure how far he can jump. Let's love sign. Jump. Jump. You sign. Jump. Good. Jump.
Casper! I have a delivery for you. A ruler.
No, it's too small.
Oh, wait here. A ruler.
Yes, that's the long ruler.
So, this is where we do the long jump. We jump into the sand.
Casper, we should jump because I'm gonna win.
No, I gotta win now. I win.
Five. Casper did a big jump, and I did a small jump. Again.